Hello everyone, Lorenzo here from RVT. So this is episode number 3, and I just pushed the sewer line into place. Right now that area is sitting in water, and then I put a rock over there at the end so I can elevate it so keep it off the mud. So oh shoot, almost tripped over here yesterday. Oh, Friday, I was moving some of the tubing back and I fell into the hole, and my hip kind of started hurting, so I quit after that. Anyways, here's the end of it, and then I finished digging over here. So I'm gonna put a T right there, and I'm gonna put a P trap right there. So and then over here I'm gonna put a cap, so when I come back and work on it again and try to take it over there somewhere, it's gonna be all set, ready to go. That's like for my next project. But right now you can kind of see the line is kind of crooked, but I still have to pull it a little bit that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this end, not this end but the other end. Keep working on this end with the sink area over here. At first I was thinking about putting a urinal, but it's gonna be a small bathroom, so I'm not gonna worry about that. It'd be cool to have a urinal here. I was thinking about getting like an old keg, cut it up and use the keg as a urinal, but nah, you'll be alright without it. I guess I can live without it. There's a toilet area. There's that, and now I'll put the I think the shower tub requires a 1.5 inch, so I'm gonna have to probably put a smaller one here somewhere. You can go from smaller to big, but you cannot go big to smaller, like over here in the toilet. That's the only exemption. Toilet, you can go from 4 to 3 here. So, and then now I'm gonna work my pitch. Once I get done with this and I feel like I can actually set everything on the ground, I'm gonna go ahead and work my way from that side, and then work my pitch 1/4 of every foot over here, and then from here over here. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright, so I took off the rocks under there, finish up with the plumbing on this side. So now what I'm doing is wrapping it up with this packing material. It's like foamy, so the concrete can because if it starts compressing the tubing and stuff, you'll keep it from I guess squeezing the sewer. I'm just gonna put it right there where the concrete is gonna be poured, from there this way, and then over here is gonna be buried, so that it doesn't need it over here, just where the concrete is supposed to be at. And this is this side right there. There's a toilet, tub over there. That's the clean out. And this is for the sink slash vent. The vent is gonna come out of that one. I put a P-trap under there. All of this right here is gonna be covered with that packing material. That I have here. This box. I'm just kind of strips of it and then wrapping it around. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna keep working on this one, and then from here I'm gonna move to the other side over there. So this, I'm holding the pipe right now, put a wire on there. I don't know if you can tell, probably not on the camera, but it's kind of like from that side it goes down and then it goes up, because I'm holding it up, of course. But if I leave it like that, I think it should be okay, because it's like a roller coaster. If it's coming this way and then, you know, the same momentum is gonna throw it up. I'm just kidding. Everything has to be 1/4 of an inch pitch every foot, so that's what I'm gonna have to do. But first I'm gonna wrap it up. Alright guys, last time I didn't show you, today's Wednesday. Last time I didn't show you the finished wrapped stuff. I kind of wrapped everything up over here where the concrete is gonna be making contact with the sewer line. That's for the expansion of the concrete, and I still had to do one in the middle right there. And I kind of like lift it up with that piece of wood and a wire, so I can make that pitch going down. And I'm gonna have to do it every 2 feet. But this is how this looks like right now. It's like level. Still have to lower it down, probably more from the left. But once I put more soil on here, hopefully that's gonna create more weight. And I kind of like stuffed some dirt over there under the that side, so I can make that pitch going down the drain. And I think it was episode 2 where I did this leveler right there, and it looks level right there, but it's got that 1/2 inch spacer, and that's like 1/4 of an inch every foot. So that's like what you call it, 1/2 inch. So if you haven't seen episode 2, you need to look at that to see how I made that. But I'm gonna keep going like this all the way down, and then first start on this side, I guess, and then work myself down from here. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, today's Monday. Yesterday I worked on it, Sunday, and I was kind of like filling in the hole there, because as you can see, it's kind of like going up. I mean, it's not level right now on this side, because there's like a big bump right there going up. I still had to lower it or go up or whatever. Go up on this side probably. And I had it sitting on rocks right there. I'm gonna have to take those out. And but it was a bunch of water in there yesterday, and I finished up on this side, and it's probably gonna end up very close to that right there. I'm gonna have to fill this up with dirt later on, so I can make like a little going down, because as you can see right now, the water comes in and it wants to get to this side, so I want to make the water go out to the sides. It's kind of windy today. So we're supposed to have some storms tomorrow. We had rain on Saturday, so I didn't do anything on Saturday. But I was out here in the mud yesterday. But I'm still dealing with this drain issue, and I haven't been able to work on it too, like especially on the weekends, because it's always raining and muddy and stuff. So instead of working yesterday, I was just chilling and went to see a movie, John Wick 3. But anyways, this is what I have so far. So I guess I'll see you maybe Friday or maybe tomorrow, Tuesday. No, tomorrow's gonna be raining, so I certainly not won't see you tomorrow. So I'll see you whenever next time I come back. I'll let you know. Alright guys, today's, and ladies in case they're watching, today is Saturday afternoon. Woke up late today, had to go to a graduation 2 hours away from here, so I didn't get home till 2 o'clock in the morning. It was a late graduation. Anyways, I got started with this today. It hasn't been raining for almost since Tuesday, I think it was. So it's been sunny and humid. Today's kind of like of course kind of cloudy, but it feels good out here. It's kind of windy. I've been kind of like leveling it here and there, but I started burying this in, so you can see I started burying it in, and then I realized that I gotta run a water line, so I started digging the hole for that. That's where the water hydrant is gonna be. But I started running the putting dirt on there. So after I got it up to that level, I realized like, oh man, I had to put the water line in there. It's gotta be deep enough so it won't freeze. So I started digging it back up and continue this way. And I'm gonna put a T there. I'm gonna put a T there going out to the hot water hydrant, and then I'm gonna put like a one going out this way, but I'm gonna cap it. Eventually I'm gonna take it down there, like I said before. And but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just a little recap of what I'm doing. I have it kind of level there. Still I had to lift it up a little bit right there, but it's pretty much over here is pretty much good. This section right here, but it looks like this is gonna be exposed. But eventually I'm gonna fill it up to the concrete end, a little bit, like 2 inches down, and kind of like run it like this and pitch it down. I mean, I'm gonna do it long enough so I can actually kind of like have it flat here, but I don't want the water coming this way, and then I want the water to pretty much go around to the sides, away from the building. As of right now, every time it rains, the water runs straight into the building, so I had to really direct that water somewhere else. But that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna continue on this and probably bring the water line and put it in there. I have the PEX tubing here that I ordered online, and I'm gonna run it all the way here to here. I'm gonna put a wall here, like I said before. I think I said that before. But I'm gonna put the wall here, and on this wall, kind of like maybe over here, I'm gonna put the water main water section, main water panel on this wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, bring the water line and put it in there before I start, putting more dirt in it, because I don't want to put more dirt in there, and then the water line is gonna go up with the line, and the water line, that's, of course, doesn't need any pitch to it. So before I put more dirt on there, I'm gonna put the water line in. So I'll be right back. Before I get started with the water line, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the sewer line first, wrap it up. That way I don't have to worry about it later. And then take one thing at a time before. I don't know, I mean, I probably won't forget about it, but just to keep it organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this piece right here where the sink is gonna be. And then I'll be right back. I'll show you everything after I wrap it up. Alright, I'm back. I'm done here with the wrapping. Put some here. Over here with the footing is crossing. And over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode with this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with episode 1. I mean, what is this? 4? Episode 4 on my so I can start doing this water hydrant, water line. So you'll be able to watch this on episode 4. So make sure you like and subscribe, and subscribe so you can continue watching this video on the progress here. Thank you for watching.